Hey everyone, welcome back to Final Fantasy VII Rebirth. Today we are having a bird-themed episode. We are going to be fighting Phoenix. I haven't tried it yet, so this is going to be my first time. We are going to do some stuff before that, and that is mainly to transmute some accessories. Or not accessories, but armors. There are some that have 3 materia slots and 4 materia slots, and I believe we can make both. That should give us some XP as well. And that way we can put them on Cloud and Barret. I'm going to take Cloud, Barret, and Aerith. Being Phoenix, probably a good assumption to think that it will fly. So Barret will be useful in this fight. Aerith for healing, for prey. That's pretty self-explanatory. And I will mess around with the setup first, and then I will cut back to when we start fight. Okay, so we'll give this a go.
Cloud, have you spotted any rabbits nearby? From what I've observed thus far, the ones in this region have a habit of hoarding trinkets in their burrows. So if you spot a burrow, you may want to dig it up with a chocobo. Who knows what sort of things you might find.
Okay, combat simulator. Let's see what else we have to do. Because we have a bunch of them ready for us. Spirit up materia, lightning materia, level 2, plasma discharge, enemy skill, soothing breeze. Okay, we can do those as well, but I'll probably cut those out. So we are going to do Phoenix, powered down level 3. So in some Final Fantasy games there are the water element spells. Final Fantasy VII isn't one of them. Leviathan actually does non-elemental damage in this game. So I'm thinking maybe Titan, like Stone against fire, might work. So we have Titan on Aerith right now. But that's something to keep in mind. So, like I mentioned earlier, Cloud, Barret, and Aerith. Let's go. Phoenix. Uh-oh. Let's... Oh, can't even assess yet.
Allow me.
Okay. So, no elemental weakness. A fiery summon created in virtual reality. This sacred bird of legend has completely transcended the concept of death, resurrecting itself when fallen, and even bringing new life from flames surrounding it. It will be impervious to damage while its creations are tethered to it. Inflicting enough damage while it's casting Empowering Flame will both interrupt and pressure it. If Empowering Flame is cast twice without interruption, it will follow up by using Rebirth Flame. Okay. We definitely have to defeat the Flan first. I'm actually using a different controller right now, so... Ooh. My question is, how do we target those orb things? Okay. It didn't let us do that before. Oh no, this is actually a bomb, that's why. Oh my god.
Keep it together. Bring it home.
I'll show you what I can do.
I'm actually using a PlayStation controller now instead of a Xbox controller.
Someone looks.
Like theoretically, it shouldn't make that much of a difference. It's just I haven't used PlayStation controller in such a long time. Damn it. Okay. Never even seen a Grand Horn before.
Here it comes.
Come on. Flame Geyser. Ugh.
Here it comes.
There we go.
Let's do this.
That's it.
Barret can probably do something. None of that helps me. Do Maximum Fury. And then Triple Slash. Gotta deal enough damage, apparently. Nope. Oh, shit.
It's on you.
I'm coming.
Oh.
Go on.
Okay.
Kinda hurt.
Need a heal. Need a heal.
Get him. You got this.
Great. No more playing.
Ah, this is bad. We're low on HP, that's my concern right now. I'll probably do Fireworks Blade.
Aaron.
Oh, we still get damage in this form, damn it. Bells to Kira, Cloud. So Fireworks Blade was able to bring our limit break to level 2, so we will use that after we defeat this little minion, Archdragon. Summon, we should try to do it in the area.
So it's my turn?
She seems to have the strongest summon right now, from Titan.
One more shot. You willing to step up for us?
Saw that coming a little bit too late.
This one's for you. Go on. That's it.
Trying to pray.
Tagging out.
I got this. Deal with that.
Gonna go to Barret to use Kira on Cloud again.
I'll show you. Can you take over?
Hang back.
Maybe I should just use Limit Break right now. Significantly increases stagger.
Let's dance, asshole.
Okay, that's good. Oh,
Need my help, do you?
Get him.
See ya!
nice. Okay, not too bad, not too bad.
Hell yeah!
Phoenix Materia.
That was a masterful victory over Phoenix. The flames it conjured were so captivating. I could hardly look away. With an immortal ally like that at your side, you've nothing to fear, not even death.
Damn right. Okay, I'm going to do the rest of the combat simulator off video, or off recording. And I guess I will be right back. Okay, nice.
Thanks to you, my archives are filling up with combat data.
Develop materia. We can get, I guess we can get like one of each of these. Allows you to use items without having to consume ATP after performing a number of actions. Okay. One of each of those. Fire and ice. Can't get any more of that, unfortunately. Okay.
I hope you won't mind my mentioning, but I've observed that World Intel collection is stalled of late. I'm certain, however,
Oh,
a
BS.
veteran mercenary like you would never abandon a task. I know you must be busy, but I'd appreciate your help.
Give it a break, Chadley. Okay, let's try to find our way out of here. So the other thing that we want to do today is there is also a side mission on the bulletin board here in Crow's Nest. And I think that's where the Condor is.
Listen,
Woo! Reach!
look at our ocean.
Bulletin board is right here.
I heard the best way to get work was through the notice board.
So it reads, Super Concerned Citizen, the Crow's Nest Base Camp. So there's this lighthouse. Oh, no. Okay, so it reads, Dreams of Blue Skies, the Condor Watching Society, Junon Condor Hill. Our beloved Condor has not graced the skies above Junon in quite some time. We worry for her welfare and wish to hire someone to prepare a culinary feast that she will find too tempting to resist. Those willing to provide assistance are invited to join us on Condor Hill.
Clear skies.
Take the job. Condor Hill. Oh, up there. Now. How do we get up there? I mean, I would imagine through this way.
Seriously important topic. Okay, everyone.
Let's give this
I take it
go.
you-
Yeah, so... oh. I keep misclicking this dismount button because that's the same button used in Wukong to run. But yeah, my friend gave me a her old PS5, so that's why I have a PlayStation DualSense controller now. So we don't actually have any stick drift in this video, which is amazing. Okay. That's easy spot.
Oh ho, care to join us, young lady? We've got a lovely breeze
Young
blowing
lady.
today.
You certainly do. So, what are you all looking at?
We're on the lookout for the great Condor. We try to catch sight of it every time it takes flight, make sure it's in good health and all that. It's not really a danger to people, but its hunger can drive it to hunt larger prey. Let's just hope it never develops a taste for us. Surely you've seen our newsletter, haven't you? It's filled with fun facts about our beloved bird. I'm quite proud of it.
Sir, I don't think the Condor is going to show today. Maybe we should head back.
No, let's wait a little longer, lad. That bird's got me a bit worried. Haven't seen it in a fair while now.
I wonder if we should have given it something to eat after all.
Perhaps. I put a post up on the notice board asking for help, but,
Well, if you're still looking for volunteers, we'd be more than happy to help.
well, far be it from me to turn down such an offer.
Ask about the Condor.
It's a grand old bird. Makes its nest on a small island just a stone's throw from here. Even saved my life back when I was a lad, if you can believe it. The Condor was looking out for me that day, so I thought I should start looking out for it. Keep tabs on its well-being and whatnot.
Ask about the feed.
It's a proud creature, a hunter at heart. We've tried to feed it before, but it seems to prefer catching its own prey. If something smelled enticing enough, though, it might be moved to come and take a closer look, I suspect.
And how he was saved.
Back during the war, I was running from some Shinra troopers when one of them got me in the back. I fell to the ground. I thought I was done for, until that bird snatched me up and flew me to the next town over. I sometimes wonder if it mistook me for its supper. I never managed to regain the use of my legs, unfortunately. But I feel my spirits soar when I watch that condor fly. I may be stuck here, but at least they're still free.
Okay, let's accept.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
One of the condor's favorite hunting spots is in the woods nearby. You'll need a chocobo that can manage the climb to get there. It's pretty tough.
We've got that. We jump down from here. So, where are we going? All the way back there. Okay, so I guess we can go from here, maybe? Ah, wrong button again. Yeah, definitely liking the DualSense controller quite a bit. I've always grew up playing the PlayStation control scheme. Why was that there? Yeah, I always...
Over there!
Quietly approached a cow. I've always grew up playing PlayStation, so I'm more familiar with the controller scheme, but it's been a while since I had a modern controller. What?
There goes the Condor's dinner.
Maybe we can track its scent.
So QTE should be a little bit easier with me for me with the PlayStation controls. Problem is, I haven't been playing this game for a while. Okay, let's go this way. No way I came through this way. What? So the cow took the road? Oh, there we go. Ah, it's getting attacked.
Quack, quack. Go on!
Wait.
Calling ice. Gotcha.
Let's finish this quickly.
It's on now.
And catch!
Oh shit. Man.
A chocobo could track him.
Holy crap. Life of a cow is tough in Final Fantasy VII. Ooh. This is pretty. I mean, a little bit distracted right now. Where is this? Oh, this is... I bet there's something there. Maybe I'll check it out later. Slide. Why'd I just get a random emerald? Oh, I'm picking up this stuff. Okay, it was just a bit delayed there. That sounds bigger than it actually is.
Guess it's in here.
Let's go.
Uh-oh, that's not good. Your Chocobo is too scared. You only did that with the Midgar Stormer. Okay, let's go. The wormhole. Generally flying enemies are weak to wind, so this team composition is pretty good. Especially with Barret that can hit flying enemies. Mystic Dragon. Let's assess.
I got your number.
Beast Talon is stealable. I don't know if we really need that, but I guess if we have the luxury to do so, we'll give it a try. But first, let's do Sonic Boom.
Go on. Huh?
You're up.
So it's my turn? One more shot.
This one use Aurora.
You'll be blown away.
Damn, can't see shit.
This one's for you. Someone looks kind of shaky. It's your turn.
Let's do this.
Watch out for high winds.
Here it comes.
That's it.
You're mine. Let's do this.
And one more shot.
Barret can probably use Maximum Fury, and then Cloud can use... I thought we had Steel here. I guess not. Did anyone have Steel? Guess not.
Brace yourself.
Guess I'll just Braver then.
This one's for you.
Deal with that.
Guess it's my turn.
Still here.
Damn.
Here goes. Gotta get windy.
I should probably equip Phoenix as well.
Here it comes.
Why not?
On it.
What do we do now?
Oh, does it matter? I think the cow meat is probably more tasty. Bovine meat. But this is a pretty cool area. We jump down. Almost. We jump down here. Oh shit. Okay, probably can't go up there. We can probably go down here though. Sort of. Come on. Ugh. No way there's nothing here. I mean, there's some chests here. Fisherman's Straits. I was hoping to like crush those boxes without having to press the button, but I guess we were not fast enough. Ah, come on. I just really want to go for a swim here. We'll go down this way. Can we go through? Ah, damn it. Yep, nothing here. Let's look at the map. Where are we supposed to go back now? Okay, we'll go back to this area. I'm so glad there's so many fast travel points.
Oh, you're back. Hope it wasn't too much trouble.
You can put the food right over there. Thank you.
This is quite the cut of meat. I've no doubt the bird will be unable to resist the call of such fine dining.
Gotta say, it's kinda nice, looking up and seeing a blue sky.
Beats a steel one, that's for sure.
Though at least with the steel sky you know your limits. Out here, it's endless. I kinda get what Aerith was saying now.
Yeah, maybe.
Hey, look!
Nice.
What a sight. I never dreamed I'd be able to see it up close like this.
Up. Wait, we have to get a photograph. Grab the camera.
Yes, sir.
Come on. Gather around, everyone. Quickly, quickly.
Say cheese. Oh.
That's terrible photo taking. Probably didn't get anything there.
So, snap any good shots?
I hope so. It just showed up. I could barely hold my camera and...
Really? Couldn't tell from a shot like this.
Ah. Well, I haven't looked this happy since I was a lad. It's precious moments like these that make Condor watching so exhilarating. You never know what to expect. Well, Scouts, let's finish writing up today's report and start preparing for our next fateful encounter.
Sir!
And hopefully next time we'll be able to snap a clear picture of that bird.
Sir, miss, I'd like you to have this as a souvenir.
Oh, that's a pretty clear picture.
Nice face, Cloud.
Okay, nice. So, yeah, that's the bird episode for today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the rest of the Google Intel. Huh. Maybe I'll check that out. Oh, right, we still have this stuff to do. I was going to say we'll do the rest of the Queen's Blood so that we can move on to the next part of the story, but I forgot about that stuff. Okay, what we'll do is we'll probably try to do everything in this video. We'll do all the Moogle Intel and then the Proto Relic, and then we will do all the Queen's Blood, and then in the next video we can get on with the main storyline. First, though, just wanted to take a look at this, and then we'll also equip some materia. Falcon have Phoenix. Oh, we can actually switch weapons on Aerith as well. Spirit up, I suppose. Max MP recovery rates. We can try using Soul Drain. So Radiant Ward, Finish off an enemy with a standard attack launched from within the ward. That's pretty easy to do. Red 13 is done. Tifa is also done. Yeah, that's all the weapon skills that we have to level for now. Okay, I guess we'll do the Moogle thing.
Anyone care to meet with a Moogle?
Enter the mock stool.
Please bring back all the Mooglets for me, Kupo.
So same thing as last time, I guess. It's just like a bigger area this time. Damn it. Still scared it away though. Ooh, he ran to a whirlwind. Come on. L2. Damn it. Into the whirlwind. Nice. Okay, so we can carry them back instead. We'll scare this one back along the way while we're carrying this one. Get in there.
Over here.
Okay. Doesn't get hurt by its own bombs, apparently. Oh, it's time. Okay, there we go.
You're a lifesaver, Kupo. I really can't thank you enough for bringing all the Mooglets back. It's such a relief the Emporium that Mog and Mag built together won't
Mog
have to
and
close
Mag.
down. You're a lifesaver, Kupo.
So what can I
Thanks
buy?
for coming to our Moogle Emporium.
Guess I can buy all of these actually, right? Yeah. These aren't as important, so we can hold off on that for now.
Thanks so much.
And then next we'll do the Proto Relic, which will have to go here. Okay, is it down this way? Nope, down this way. So, welcome back. This is going to be a little bit weird. This is actually happening in the future. I've already completed the Proto Relic quest and also all the Queen's Blood matches at the Crow's Nest. And I'm putting them in the next video because they fit a little bit better together. Sorry. I was trying to remember which button to press. But yeah, this is actually the last of the side mission or side activity that we have to do on Junon. So after we're done with this, we are completely done with Junon, so we can move on to the main story quest. I originally wanted to do that in the next video, but with the Proto Relic and the Queen's Blood together, and this, it just became way too long, so I had to split it, unfortunately. Oh, we can transmute Planet's Favor now. So up beyond this rock. There we go. The Proto Relic quest actually had a great twist to it. Super fun quest. And also, the Queen's Blood had a really fun twist at the end of it as well. So the next video is pretty cool. Come on. So, here. That's it, right? Yeah, 3. Armor upgrades 4. Wise Fox Bracelet. And then that's everything in Junon. Yo. Junon region complete. Oh, nothing from Chadley? Let's see. Enhanced gold coral armlet. We can do that, since Cloud is using it. And then we can make Planet's Favor now, which we should because we have a lot of Planet's Blessings. We don't get a chance to use Planet's Blessings enough. That's the problem. Like, we're always full of it. Phoenix Draft, maybe we can make some? We need Planet's Benison for these two, so we're not quite there yet. Oh, and apparently there's a Chocobo stop here as well. So we're gonna get that. Yeah. Ah. The feather kind of just floated from the sky, I think. Why don't you head back to Gabe's farm? Heck yeah. Merc build. This gear's color cannot be edited. Okay, whatever. Kick ass. Okay, so that's it for today's video. In the next one, we will go back to the past to do the Proto Relic quest and the Queen's Blood matches. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!